binigyan nyo yung Public Works Department at Budget Department ng 2 weeks para busisiin yung lahat ng kailangan busisiin, himayin yung kailangan himayin dyan sa 2026 budget ng DPWH. 2 weeks. Confident ba kayo na magagawa nila yon in 2 weeks?
Marami na tayong nagawa as of now pa lang. Number one, we already are seeing na lahat ng flood control project na dapat nilalagay sa 2026 na budget, hindi na siguro kailangan. So there will be no budget for 2026 for flood control. Dahil meron naman 350 billion for 2025 na hindi pa nauubos talaga. So, tuloy-tuloy pa yung trabaho. Hindi naman ibig sabihin, titigil natin yung flood control project, mga flood control project. Ibig sabihin, titiyakin na ngayon natin na ang paggastos tama, ang pag-implement tama, maayos ang design, etc., etc. And then, how do we do this? Yung sinasabi ko nga, interesado ko na makipag-usap tayo sa mga contractor na tapusin nila. Ayusin nila. O di mag-usap kami after that. Pero before that, ayusin nila, buuhin nila. Up to specification. At their cost, wag naman sila don't expect the government to pay for it. Ayusin nila yung project nila.
Oo nga.
O di sige, mag-usap tayo after that.
Isa-isa nyo na nga, binibisita nyo, nakikita natin po yon. But ang mga kongresista, gusto nilang i-return to sender yung NEP. Is that still a possibility?
No.
Baka hindi umabot no?
No, it's not a possibility. Ang titignan na lang is the DPWH budget. Unilaterally, from our end in the executive, I already instructed the DPWH to review and to rewrite the DPWH budget. So we have a commitment to Congress that the rewritten DPWH budget will be submitted to them.